Welcome to Bellagio.
Hello and welcome to Las Vegas. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sean from Miles to Memories, and I have a great video for you today from the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens and the hotel, where we're going to check out the brand new renovated rooms up in the main tower. Over 2,500 rooms being renovated as we speak. Can't wait to show those to you. I visited this past Wednesday. It's been pretty busy. And of course, with COVID, there's still capacity restrictions. It also makes it a nicer experience to walk around. If you like this video, if you like the channel, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, tell friends about our videos, and more importantly, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the conservatory display and these brand new renovated rooms down there. Let's discuss it. This is the spring display at the conservatory, and one of my favorites because of the smells, the beautiful flowers, and of course the butterfly garden. We're going to check out all of that as we tour the conservatory here for spring 2021. As part of this springtime celebrations around the world, there are 4 different displays: the Chelsea Flower Show, the Washington, D.C. Cherry Blossom Festival, the Tulip Festival in Holland, and Songkran, the Water Festival in Thailand.
The smells are incredible.
I mentioned this during all of our tours, but 120 horticulture staff at Bellagio maintain these botanical gardens, which is just a staggering statistic. But I love walking through here for each of the 5 different displays. This is the second display of the year, with the Lunar New Year display happening early in the year. Then you have spring, then summer, harvest, and then the holiday.
The plants here are beautiful as always. It feels like spring, as it's supposed to. Really beautiful here.
The Songkran Festival in Thailand is a must visit if you've ever considered going there.
Lots of great detail in here as well.
Just imagine the biggest water gun battle you've ever seen on the scale of an entire city. It is a crazy thing. I've been to Bangkok twice for Songkran, highly recommended. But if you can't get there, this display at Bellagio is a nice second fiddle. This is, of course, the Washington, D.C. Cherry Blossom Festival display. Beautiful area, not quite as elaborate as some of the displays in this area normally can be, but still a nice little area to walk through. And again, with COVID, you have a very specific way to walk through. If you've ever visited here during normal times when it's just a free-for-all, you will definitely appreciate how it has been the last year, and I hope they keep it like this. It makes it much more enjoyable, even though you have to spend a little bit of time waiting to get inside. Once you get in, it's a lot easier to see everything, a lot less people. Overall, a much more enjoyable experience. This is one thing I hope sticks around after COVID. All of these flowers and plants are real, and again, the smells were incredible here. 14,000 square feet of display, and this isn't one of the more over-the-top displays. For me, it just has that feel of spring, the smell in the air, the butterflies. I really like it. It's one of my favorite ones throughout the year, although as I have said, the Chinese Lunar New Year one is my overall favorite.
So these are all roses.
The spring celebration will be going through May 22nd, 2021, and then will be replaced by the summer garden from the end of May through the end of August. Always something going on here, unless you're unfortunately visiting in the week between them switching over displays, but this is open pretty much all year round. One of my favorite things to do in all of Las Vegas.
Those who know better come to this backside. Don't miss that. You get great views of what you see there. Also a lot less crowds, as you can see here. All the people on the other side, nobody over here. You still have lots of flowers, lots of stuff to see over here. So just head for the restaurants towards the Dells. Always get a cool view. From this backside, we can really get a good view of this gorgeous butterfly garden. It's definitely worth taking a close look at. So gorgeous. You see the butterflies in there flying around. Love to go inside. Hey, buddy.
One last look at the Bellagio Conservatory Spring Display. Definitely take a visit if you're in town. Now we're upstairs to check out the rooms.
The old and the new. What a difference.
This shot to me is incredible because it shows you how they've started renovating portions of floors, and you can see how the old hallways look compared to the new ones. What do you think of that carpet? Let me know. Some people said it looks trippy. I think it looks beautiful. The hallway carpet does. This is a Premier 2-queen room inspired with a sunset with yellow tones. That is the inspiration for the decor in this room. The rooms were designed by MGM Resorts along with Getty's Group out of Chicago, and they really tried to make these rooms more functional by removing the desk and putting in a multi-flow workspace. They removed the big wardrobe and built in a closet, and the biggest change you'll see in these rooms is they took out the bathtub in the bathroom and replaced it with a giant shower. I definitely want to hear what you guys think about that, and we'll learn more as we go through there. Part of their design philosophy was to make the rooms brighter with more natural light and heavily inspired by water, by the fountains of Bellagio, by Lake Como, and colors they use strong and bold, yet soothing and calming. This is the kind of design language that they're going for, and I think they do pull it off. Very nice, lots of metallics, interesting uses of gold, even though there's not too much gold. I really dig it. You can see the entryway and the bathroom floor is still the same from before, but overall the rest of it has been completely redone. This bathroom has the dual vanities, where before it only had one, with the interlocking light fixtures and of course that giant shower. No more tub. I do love tubs, especially in nicer hotel rooms, so I know that I will personally miss the tub shower combo, but let me know what you think of it. This is what it used to look like before and what it looks like now. A big difference. Here's our view from bed to see what it looks like. Notice the kind of gray tones, the lack of giant furniture like you might have seen before. This carpet I thought was very beautiful. It's not as traditional as you'll see in some hotel remodels, more gray than a lot of places will go, but I really liked it. It matched the furniture, and it's a bit different than the hallway carpet that you see out in the hallway. That's more like the water fountain type carpet. So I think it all works really well. My favorite part of this area was these soft touch drawers. It was so satisfying to open and close them. Notice the metallic paint. What do you guys think of this color scheme for the queen rooms? The king is going to be completely different, as we'll see here. This is the Premier King Room using a sunrise with blue tone inspiration, and so it's definitely different than you see in the queen rooms. And once again, a lot of the bulky furniture has been removed. The desk has been removed. More of a flex space, lots of comfortable places to sit. There's 14 different points in the room to charge your devices as well, so they have definitely done good there. You won't see a big tablet like you will see in other rooms, but you do have the drapes opening and closing automatically, and the room is incredibly modern in all other ways. The Premier King has a slightly different bathroom setup, but overall the same thing with a long, narrow shower, replacing the tub shower combo. This white tile, I don't know if it's marble. Looks like it could be marble in there. Very attractive, very modern. What do you think about this bathroom? Let me know. And here's a look at the flooring as you go into the room. A little bit of old along with the new. Overall, really beautiful. These rooms can actually be booked now. All 2,568 guest rooms in the main tower are being renovated through the end of this summer, but some are online now, including the ones that we're looking at here. So you can actually stay in these rooms right now, and I do feel like they are a big upgrade over the old ones, although admittedly I didn't think the old ones were too bad, but this does give them a fresh new look. As we take a look through the pictures one more time, this is the Premier 2 Queen room. What do you think of these color schemes? What do you think of them replacing the desk with this multifunction table? I love all the furniture here. And I love that these rooms aren't overly big. They have given it a much more open feel overall. The bathroom is, for me, a double-edged sword. I love the bathroom design. I love the way it looks. I miss the bathtub. What do you guys think about all of these renovations, about the spring display at the Bellagio Conservatory? Are you going to stay in one of these renovated Bellagio rooms? Do you miss the old rooms? What do you think about the difference in the hallway decor? Let me know. Let's discuss all of this in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and let's discuss this in the comments. Have a great day.